crack the code. Curious? In just one day, we're talking 86 points, 105, 126, 529, 565, 373, 217, 162, and 75 points, all with zero to tolerable drawdowns. Let's dive into the day in the life of a powerful tool that's taking the markets by storm. Thursday, November 6, 2025, US 35-minute timeframe. A buy signal triggers at 11:20 and the preceding sell signal at 7:45, with the former delivering an 86-point move. And the drawdown? 17 points. Note that the previous day's high reached a higher timeframe price gap within a premium zone, purging liquidity in the process, and signaling a turning point in the market. Any subsequent rallies observed on the 5-minute chart will now be treated as retracements, potentially leading to a further downward move and the formation of a lower low from the higher timeframe perspective. This aligns with the top-down analysis presented in our previous video, which you may want to watch in full to follow along. You can see here that the buy signal delivered a massive 105-point move, with a negligible drawdown of just 2 points. With the price rejection of the upper key zone, we anticipate the downward move will resume and break the previous structure lows. A sell signal triggers live at 16:05, aligning with our established directional bias for the next market phase. As always, we will now examine and monitor the signal's moves to capture maximum potential gains. Based on our Chic strategy entry option 1, you could enter a sell trade at the trigger bar open, targeting the next structure low. This represents the initial drive downward and provides an opportunity to lock in profits, given the ample room between the two levels. Note, that's your exit level right there, a massive 126-point move with a negligible drawdown of just 2 points, following the liquidity purge just before the New York Open. Now, this is the point where our Chic strategy entry option 3 comes into play. That is, the retracement-based entry as outlined in our previous videos. Clearly, that's a sniper-style sell entry option that falls within the price gap which aligns with the premium zone of the current range. This strategy is modeled on repeatable market behavior, with signatures and footprints that once seen, cannot be unseen. Patterns that play out, time and time again across trading sessions each day. You can see how the sniper sell signal has delivered an impressive 153-point move so far. We will continue to monitor and annotate all moves as the market progresses. If you're finding value in this content, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments. You can see the initial price gap is marked. Note that any subsequent retracement into a price gap within the premium zone of a specific range offers a sell entry opportunity, with the target remaining the previous structure low referenced earlier. Now, here comes another high probability sell opportunity right there, which occurs after just over a 50% retracement of the prior move, into a price gap, aligning with a strong confluence zone. That's yet another sell entry opportunity within the price gap as labeled. Note that establishing the directional bias for specific phases of the market is pivotal to the successful outcome of your trades, can't stress that enough. You can also see how the red sheiks blaze the trail for all subsequent sell entry opportunities that were generated after the retracements, as illustrated here. Each of these moves proved successful as the signals aligned with the prevailing downtrend during this market phase, in conjunction with logical entry levels and the predetermined target. Epic moves have played out on each of these signals so far. We continue to review the original move for comparative analysis. This sheds light on the full figures we could be dealing with, in scenarios where partial profit taking occurs before the retracement, as opposed to exiting the initial sell trade entirely. Note that all of these entries are subject to risk-reward evaluations on your part as an astute trader. Target hit, awesome. We did get a further downward move, after which we can proceed to update all figures to reflect the change. Moments later, a buy signal fires at 20:35 after the market fails to break the previous low on the 5-minute chart. With lower prices still expected, any rally here will be treated as a retracement into the premium zone of the current range, where the downward move may resume. The buy signal delivered an impressive 162-point move into the price gap, with a drawdown of 10 points, purging liquidity in the process, all within a premium zone. We then get a sell signal at 22:50. At this point, trader discretion must be exercised, as the signal bar's open is in close proximity to, and overlapping with opposing structure zones and the price gap. The sell signal's initial drive downward, based on Sheik's strategy entry option 1 may prove difficult. Note that the next bar open entry, option 2, did deliver a dynamite move though, offering a massive 75 points with literally zero drawdown. Subsequently, it's smarter to wait for entry option 3, the retracement-based entry at a premium zone of the most recent range that forms, where momentum may kick in to drive price lower, until an opposing key zone on the daily timeframe is reached. As the market draws to a close, don't forget your homework. Continue monitoring these moves to capture the maximum potential gains, and share your perspective on the overall journey of the day. We can now pan across the chart to see what a day in the life of this epic indicator entails. Now, check out each trade signal trigger time is marked, along with its corresponding move, and mull it over for a moment. We're talking a total of 2,238 points in a single day. Think you can nail this like a pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments and join the discussion. Key note: a top-down market analysis delivers a clear directional bias and a compelling narrative, driving consistent execution of winning trades with this strategic edge. Success is sustained through robust risk management, disciplined trade execution, and solid money management skills. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. Explore more videos on the channel for deeper insights. See you in the next one.